Hey guys, welcome back. It's another Scorcher here in late September. It's supposed to be in the high 90s today. We're down here on the beautiful Gasconade River, northern part of the Ozarks here, looking to catch my favorite fish in the world, and that would be smallmouth bass. Hopefully we can find a few. Hopefully we can find some current. I think I'm gonna start out fishing along the bluff walls too. Brought along a few different baits. Got 2.8 inch Kitech here on an 1/8 ounce jig head. Let me get it rigged up. Also brought along Bitsy Bug jig, which did really well last time I was down here. Got the baby packet cross with it and the Alabama craw here, the net baits. I love kind of mixing these this orange with this green pumpkin jig trailer. I think it gives a really natural profile, or really natural color to it especially. And it's a good size for smallmouth. I don't know if we'll catch any monsters. That'd be really nice, but it's definitely a good size package for smallmouth there. And last but not least, I brought along some Nico Helgramites that let's rig one of them up. I'm gonna put it on a Ned, on this 3/16 out Ned head here. And that is what I'm gonna start out with. I also brought along the Whopper Plopper to try. I mean, the river's really low, and I knew it would be. Maybe we can cover some of this more slack water, see if there's any fish hiding around covering it. And yeah, we'll see what happens. Come along, it should be a good one. Thought I'd give the river a try out today. The bite in the ponds and the lakes has been total trash. We had a big cold front. Dropped the water temp down to the low 70s. The fish kind of suspended, and then we got a big heat wave, and the fish are still kind of suspended. So not in a real big, not in a pretty negative mood. I don't really want to bite, but we'll see if these river fish are feeling a bit differently. So come along, it should be a fun one. There's a fish. It's the right kind. First fish of the day is a smallie. Little bitty guy, but hey, it's the right kind of fish. Right there in that current seam. Right where they lured last time I was down here. That one's nice. Little bitty, probably 6-7 inch or so. But he was hungry for a Bitsy Bug jig. There's a fish. If it ain't a smallmouth, it's a goggle eye. Head shakes feel real small. And it is a nice goggle eye. Look at that red eye goggle eye. Rock bass. Beautiful red eyes on him, huh? There's a little turtle. He thinks I don't see him. He thinks he's an invisible turtle. Uh-oh. He thinks I still can't see him. There he goes. I want to try something. There's a big rock up there, stick. I can't tell which it is. Let's drag a jiggle over the top of it and see. Oh, there was a bite. I think we got a fish on, do we? Oh yeah, we do, and it's a decent one. Smallie, rock bass, largie, I think. No, it is a decent smallie. Yep, there he is. Nice, healthy, another little 7-8 incher. Beautiful red eyes on. Bait fishy kind of place. We're getting bites up there. There's a fish. Rock bass. Little one. Another red-eyed goggle eye. Look at those bright red eyes. Little bitty guy. He likes jigs. There's where it put in. So we haven't made it far at all. So we're almost back to where I put in. We probably won't go too far past the put in there, but I do want to hit that bridge for sure. There's a fish. It's another little rock bass. That's a decent sized one. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah, a lot of fish in this deeper water. There's a nice chunky little rock bass. They all have bright red eyes. Hey guys, thanks for watching. A little bit of a tough day out there in the water. Didn't boat too many fish. Not really any quality fish either. But I did get out there, explored a new section of the river, had some fun catching those fish, and it's always down there. It's always nice to get down there and see that beautiful, Ozark scenery and those bluffs. I debated even putting this video out just because of the lack of fish and the lack of size, both quality and quantity, I guess. But I want to show that sometimes the bite's tough, and they're just, there ain't much you can do about it. I want to show the realistic side of fishing as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. As always, if you want to see more, please subscribe. I appreciate it. Until next time, good luck, stay safe, and cheers.